Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to disable editing on Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do, just open your Google Sheet application, and after you open it, you just need to decide which documents that you want to disabling the editing access. So here I already opened mine and I already choose the document, which is this examples documents. After you deciding the documents, just go click this three small dots on the right, documents, and after that in these options you just need to go into the manage access. Into the manage access, you can see that in the general access you just need to click it, and if you can see in the general access here, I already have anyone with a link, could be an editor, so people who receive this link can able to edit this document. But since we want to disable it, you just need to go click this part, the anyone with the link, and you just need to change from anyone with the link into restricted, so only people edit can open. So now the people or your friends who received the link previously will not gonna able to do an editing on this document. So that's the way how to disabling the editing access on Google Sheet. If you find a tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.